Hi everyone, Gillian from Yoga G. Welcome back. Today I'm going to do a short sequence that you can do for a stiff neck, rounded shoulders. This is a great way to open up the shoulders, improve your posture and release a stiff neck. So when you're ready, begin with your hands on your knees. And all we're going to do is we're going to take our right ear to our right shoulder. Now you will feel a stretch down the left side of the neck. If you're not feeling that stretch, you can extend your arm out and then just let it fall to the mat. You should feel a bit of a deeper stretch then. Just relax the jaw, feel that stretch. Use your breath. Bring the head up, then taking the left ear to the left shoulder. And if you are not feeling the stretch, extend the arm, bring the arm down to the mat, get a deeper stretch. And then slowly bringing the head back to center. You're going to interlace your fingers in front of you and push your arms away. Take your chin towards your chest. So just stretch up the back of the neck and the back of the shoulders. Now just rotate the palms the opposite way, take the arms up, just taking the shoulders back as far as you can. Release the arms down, bring the hands in behind you and roll the shoulder blades back in towards one another. This is a good one to do throughout the day just to counteract those rounded shoulders. Take a few more breaths. Bring yourself back to the center. Now we're just going to take the right ear to the right shoulder once again and then just let it drop to the center and round to the left. So just slowly making half circles, side to side. And bring the head back to center. You're going to take the right ear to the right shoulder. Just place the right hand on top. Now don't pull on your head here. Just use the weight of your hand. Again, you should feel that stretch down the neck into the left shoulder. Release. Switching to the opposite side, so left hand onto the head. You should feel the stretch. If you're not, you can extend that hand out to get a deeper stretch. Don't pull on your neck. As I say, just use the weight of your hand. That should be enough. And then release. We're going to take our right arm up, bend into the elbow and take it behind your head. Left hand with the palm facing back, take it up. If you're able to, you can grab a hold of your hands. Unfortunately, my shoulders are a bit tight, so I'm not quite there. But still, this will open up the shoulders and the chest. Use your breath to release any tension. Try not to let that elbow come in. Try and keep it open. 2 more breaths. And release. So switching to the opposite side, bring the left arm up, take it behind your head, right hand with the palm facing back. Take it up. If you can, grab a hold of your hands. Keep that elbow out, stretching across the chest and opening up the shoulders. Sitting up tall in your spine. Try not to hold any tension in your jaw. Take one more deep breath. And release. Once again, just bring the hands behind. You can be onto your fingertips here. Roll the shoulder blades in. And if it's comfortable to do so, take your neck up, gazing up towards the ceiling. Slowly bring the head back down. So that's just a short 3 minutes, 2 minutes that you can do daily. You can do it at the office as well, just to counteract that motion, as I say, of being all day on your laptop. The shoulders become rounded, the neck becomes stiff. So you want to make sure that you keep opening up the shoulders too, so that you don't end up getting bad posture into your later years. And if you find this video helpful, then please do subscribe. That's all for today. I hope to see you again soon. So I'll say bye for now.